Hi guys, I have do a lot of video about the ultra smartwatches. Somebody has asked me, can I do a video for this application about this ultra smartwatch? Today this video will compare the QiFit, RDFit and Mactivepro. These three applications is very popular in the ultra smartwatch now. And this video will do a detailed comparing on the DIY clock face function. The first application we need to do the DIY clock face is the QiFit. And the smartwatch for the DIY function is the H11 Ultra. Now let's take a look at the video. At first we need to choose a background of the clock face. You can choose to take a photo or choose a photo from the elbow. Then the next step is to cut the photo into the resolution of the smartwatch. We can also choose the health function on the screen, such as the heart rate, step counter, and other health information. But only one information can be shown each time. We can also choose the color of the font. After you choose the color, the type will display as the color you choose. When we finish the configuration, just click the download and the DIY clock face will directly transfer to the smartwatch. The next application we use to DIY the clock face is the QiFit. And the smartwatch I use to do the DIY function is the SMA Ultra smartwatch. It's also to choose the background. The same information as to the QiFit. But compared to the QiFit, the RDFit application has more function to be DIY. After we choose the background photo, we can also decorate the photo with other items. We can also add an additional slogan into the DIY, such as a slogan or a sentence like "I like you very much." We can drag the tie to the place you want it to display, and you can also drag the slogan or the sentence to the place you want it put. It's flexible to choose the place you want it to show. You can also choose the tie display as the digital or a pointer. And of course, the color and the health information are available for customize. Comparing to the QiFit, the RDFit application is much better in the DIY clock face function. The last application we need to compare is the Mactivepro. And what we use to do the DIY function on the Mactivepro is the Ultimate smartwatch. The first step is also the same to choose the background of the DIY clock face. Choose a background. The second step to configure is the choose the color of the font. There are many colors available, and we can also decide the clock display on the screen, the location. But the location is fixed. Only 3 places can be displayed: the top, middle, and the bottom. We can't drag the clock to the place we want it to show. That's not very good compared to other two applications. Now let me make a conclusion. The RDFit application has the best DIY function in these 3 applications.